Okay, fourth graders, this is your math assignment for the day. You can either do this on your own, you can try it from yesterday, or you can follow along with me just to kind of learn a little bit more about it. So, remember this is the box method. You're going to take 245 divided by 4. 4 goes into 2 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. Then you're going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then you have to bring this over. Now, 4 goes into 24. If you need a chart, you can look. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So I put the 6 up here. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Bring the 0 over. 4 goes into 5. 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have a remainder of 1. So your answer is 61, remainder 1. Okay. Then here, same thing. We're going to do 843 divided by 6. Now, I know I'm going fast, but you can pause at any time and fill in your paper. Okay. 6 goes into 8 1 time. 6 times 1 is 6. That gets rid of 6, right? 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring the 2 over. 6 goes into 24. Look at your 6's. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 6 times 4 is 24. So that becomes 0. Bring that over. 6 goes into 3. This could be tricky because 6 doesn't go into 3, right? 6 goes into 3 0 times. 6 times 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So that becomes your remainder. So your answer is 140 with a remainder of 3. Turn it over. 526 divided by 7. 7 goes into 5 0 times, right? Because 7 is bigger than 5. 7 times 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 goes into 2 0 times. Oh no, sorry, I messed up. 5 comes over. See, I almost messed up because I forgot to bring the 5 over. Now, how many times does 7 go into 52? You might not know that off the top of your head. So you can either count by 7s or you can look at your 7s multiplication chart. 56 is over, so 7 goes into 52 7 times, which is 49. 52 minus 49 is 3. Bring the 3 over. 7 goes into 36. You might not know that off the top of your head. So 7 goes into 36 5 times without going over. And it's 35. 7 times 5 is 35. So your remainder is 1. 75, remainder 1. Okay, now this one. 8, 987. 8 goes into 9 1 time. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bringing the 1 over, don't make the mistake I made. 8 goes into 18 2 times. 8 times 2, 16. 8 minus 16 is 2. Bring the 2 over. 8 goes into 27. Bring your chart over. 8, 16, 24, 32. Not 32, so it goes in 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. So your remainder becomes 3. Okay, we will continue to practice this tomorrow. Hopefully you got a little bit better at it and understand it a little bit more. See you tomorrow.